In this short video, I'm going to show you how to empty the toilet cassette. Your toilet cassette is located in here. I'm going to show you how to empty the toilet cassette. So to open the door, you press in these two buttons. When you go to empty this cassette, you need to pull up this lever. It won't work if the flap on the toilet inside is open, that will get stuck. So you need to make sure you go inside and close it before you pull it out. Once it's closed, you can pull that out, like so. Close the door. They have got wheels on them and the handle is located on the bottom. When you get to the toilet L-SAN point, you put the handle back down. You need to turn the funnel around, undo the blue cap on top. And then when you go to pour it in, you need to make sure you press down this blue button, as this will allow the airflow to go through the cassette, making it easier to empty the contents. And then you pour it into the L-SAN point. When you're finished, you get a hose, you fill it up with water, you swirl it around, and then again, pour it into the L-SAN point until the water's clear. When you're finished, put the blue cap back on, do that nice and tight, put the funnel back round, and then you put it back into the cassette holder. And it just slides in like so, making sure the blue clip clips back into place. And when you're finished, just shut the door.